Okay, well, here we are.
Final moto day?
Final moto day.
What is
Last
that?
day of racing.
What's that mean?
Oh, so we got a little transfer out, a little 30-minute road ride, it sounds like, out to the moto track, and then they've got us lined up. 40 of the fastest club guys are gonna go battle it out. So hopefully get a good start, and then just go as fast as I can for a couple minutes, and then be done with this.
Hell yeah.
And hopefully get through another 6 days.
Perfect. How you smelling, Jaden?
I smell horrible.
That was such a perfect video.
No, like seriously, everything's wet.
Okay, so the Des dogs this morning, I was looking at time, and we've got a little bit of a little situation going on here.
The rivalry is heating up today.
Heating up. The Des dog conditions. 3 seconds between, it's Ryder's leading.
Ryder's got an illegitimate 3-second lead. He would be 2 seconds down if they drop that test.
Ooh.
So now we're going in. I'm gonna have to do a little something. Teammate on teammate action.
That's it.
If I gotta throw some elbows, I gotta throw some elbows.
There'll probably be a wrestling match after the race.
Yep, okay.
Last corner, we'll both be on the ground in the mud.
Flail it.
Hey,
Flail it.
and all we got to do as a team is gain like 13 minutes today, and I think we can be on a
You
podium.
know, in a 5-lap moto,
We can do it.
I think we can do it.
Yeah, especially
No
with your
problem.
guys' mud skills, we're gonna be
That
ready.
was a little bit of a dig there, Anson. But
Hey, I'm just saying, I think we got it. I
think after the week you've had, you can take a couple digs.
I usually get beat by you guys, so I got to take it when I can.
Crash track master over there.
That's it.
Holy, what's the sag? How many mils of sag are you running on those jeans, dude?
Oh, these?
That's like at least 96 mils of sag.
Yeah, I'm gonna go do Sur-on stunts.
Sur-on stunts. Yeah, brother! Yes, sir! Come on! How's it going?
No, è una pessima idea. Però se spy è negativo, Nexus è
Io non riprende le persone che ci sono.
You alright?
I've had better days in my life. What a way to end 6 days.
Later, buddy.
I'll see you at the hospital.
Made it through six days. Haven't DNF'd yet, but unfortunately that final moto ended up just tipping over and had a dude railroad me and broke my scapula pretty bad. I need surgery on it, and then broke a bunch of ribs. Looks like they're okay, but I unfortunately have blood in my lung cavity, air in my lung cavity, so I'm stuck here in the Bergamo hospital. But there's also a possibility I have some bleeding in my brain, but there's little things. So yeah, we're done. 6 days is over. I mean, it's crazy. It was gonna be one of my best night. 13th overall, sitting into the day, was feeling good, and then just a little tip over and then getting run over. Just changes this quickly. So that's it's racing for you. It's 6 days for you. It's the real deal, right? It's what we sign up for, but it's frustrating. It's a bummer, really. But we're gonna, show up another day, fight again, see what we can do, and just keep this whole 6 days dream alive. Thanks everybody for following. We had a heck of a week. Stoked to be a part of the Beyond 6 Days deal. Super proud of my team. Ryder and Zane both killed it. And yeah, we're gonna do it again. All right, thanks guys.
Day 6, done and dusted. My first ISDE over. I'm happy for it to be over. Long week, it was fun, a lot of different stuff. Final moto day was chaos. Unfortunately, we are missing our third team member, our team leader for the week. Anson went down. Happened right in front of me. Not much of a crash, honestly, but unfortunately, I think he got clipped by one of the riders behind. So he's spending a night in the hospital, but sounds like he should be okay. It's gonna be a little banged up, but he's all good for the most part. So yeah, bummer for that, but we finished it up. Otherwise, Anson was strong. He rode it into the finish, even with the issues he had going on. So team finished up all right. We were all close on times, even after his accident. So yeah, decent week for us. Happy to get it done with, and it's a fun time. Maybe we'll be back for next year. All right, RT.
All right, day 6 done. Moto's done. Enduro day's done. Super fun week. Had some rough days, had some good days. Unfortunately, our teammate crashed. Hope he's doing well after his night in the hospital, and wish him the best. But yeah, it was a solid week for me and went smooth, no big issues, no bike problems, and yeah, all around a fun time.